Here are 3 side hustles that you can start in 2025. Starting a side hustle is one of the best ways to make some extra cash on the side. And with the rise of the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever to make money doing what you love. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or start your own business, these side hustles are a great place to start, so let's dive in. The first side hustle is starting a blog. Starting a blog is a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with the world. And with the right content, you can make money from home doing what you love. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche, create a website, and then start writing. It takes time and effort to build an audience and generate revenue, but it can be a very rewarding experience. The second side hustle is starting an Etsy shop. If you're crafty or artistic, then starting an Etsy shop might be perfect for you. You can sell handmade items such as jewelry, art, or clothing and set your own prices. To get started, you'll need to create an account, list your items for sale, and market your shop. It's important to research pricing and competition to ensure you're resetting your items at a fair price. With the right products and marketing strategy, you can turn your passion into profit. The third side hustle is starting a social media account. With the rise of social media, there's a growing demand for content creators. If you're passionate about a particular topic or have a unique perspective to share, then starting a social media account could be a great side hustle for you. You can monetize your account by selling products or services, running ads, or affiliate marketing. To get started, you'll need to choose a platform, create engaging content, and build an audience. It takes time and effort to grow a following and generate revenue, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn your passion into profit. Starting a side hustle is a great way to make some extra cash on the side. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or start your own business, these side hustles are a great place to start. With a little hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion into profit. So, what are you waiting for? Start your side hustle today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.